welcome back to the fourth video in this series. Today we're going to be assembling this V-block clamp in our SOLIDWORKS. All right, so you can see I still have the base open. If I come up here and I check in my windows, I got the base. I've also got the yoke open, and I've got that screw that we originally built. They're all open in my SOLIDWORKS. So all I have to do is click New and pick Assembly. Since all three parts were already open, they're just naturally going to show up right here. First thing I want to do is I want to pin this window down so it doesn't disappear when I start using it. So I'm going to take my base and I'm going to select the base, point out here in space where I want it, and click. Excellent. Only need one of them. So next I'll pick my yoke, just kind of plop it next to the base. Come back over here, pick my V-block screw, plop it in space. Now I'm done, so green tick mark. Gonna change the shading on these so they stand out a little bit better. Okay, so now I just have to mate these parts together. So I'm gonna open up my mate window. When it comes up, it's gonna be this side surface here on the yoke is going to be riding against this surface on the block. So those two are going to be coincident. Looks good. And the other surfaces that are going to be touching, I'm going to come in here on this yoke. It's this little guy on the inside of the foot. That one is going to be riding inside the groove on the block. And they are also going to be coincident. So I'll say, yep, that looks good. I'll flip this around and have a look at it. And see, now it lets me slide the yoke along the block, just the way that it should. Everything should line up quite nicely. Good. All I got to do now is this hole is where this pin goes. Well, I want those two to be concentric. That's what the computer selected for me. So I'll click yes. Now this allows me to slide the pin up and down, and it allows me to slide the yoke back and forth. So if I have a part that I need to clamp in here, like something round or odd shaped, I can slide the yoke wherever I need to on the part, and then I can bring the pin down, boom, hold it in place. There we go. Quick and easy assembly today, kind of a fun one. Sort of neat to see it all come together. All right, hope this was helpful. Hope you're having a good day.